Hospitals in southeast Louisiana were already overwhelmed with COVID-19 patients before Hurricane Ida made landfall. 150-mile-per-hour winds caused so much damage to local hospitals that some were forced to evacuate. I spoke with the CEO of Thibodaux Regional Medical Center. It was the only hospital in Terrebonne and Lafourche Parish that was fully operational during the storm.
It's been quite an experience, to say the least. I've been here 31 years, so we've been through a lot of storms and even hurricanes going all the way back to Andrew. But this particular storm put 4 other hospitals in the area out of business, so to speak, in the first 24 hours.
Patients from hospitals across the Bayou region were transported to Thibodaux Regional and other hospitals to get out of harm's way. Some of those hospitals have opened up certain services again, but most are still recovering.
What we've seen is 8 ambulances arrived here at one time. We had 19 inpatients in our emergency department waiting for a bed yesterday morning. We still have the COVID, which is 30 to 40 patients, and that complicates things some.
Stock says it's been one challenge after another. Hurricane Ida's heavy winds knocked out 3 of the hospital's 5 generators during the brunt of the storm.
In our critical care unit, it went dark. So the other areas of the hospital were still powered, and I was in there when that happened. It was amazing. The people were using their phone lights and things, and the problem solving that went into play there was really admirable. I mean, I've been around this a long time. I've never seen anything like it. It was crazy. Staff came from other areas. Physicians were involved, and here are these patients, a lot of them on vents and things where they had to use bags and manual way of helping them breathe.
Stock says patients were moved down the stairs because elevators weren't working.
Everybody got down there. We didn't lose anybody. You can lose people in those deals. We didn't lose anybody, and we just went on. It comes down to, are you going to be there when people need you? And we're committed to that.
We just go on. That's what Stock just said about his team at the hospital. And that's what we've seen within the people of southeast Louisiana. Despite everything that's happened, people are helping their neighbor and giving where they can. For more stories on Hurricane Ida relief and recovery efforts, head to our website, klfy.com, under the POSPA 2 tab.